Did you know that catnip is more effective than DEET against mosquitoes and other insects? This is a great alternative to protect you from bug bites and is super easy to make. To make your repellent, you will need an ounce of catnip tincture, an ounce of yarrow tincture, 2 ounces of rubbing alcohol, a 4-ounce spray bottle, and a label. To make your bug repellent, you will want to mix 1 ounce each of yarrow and catnip extract in a glass measuring cup. Next, you'll want to add 2 ounces of isopropyl alcohol so that your mixture equals 4 ounces. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel if you have a small one. Place the sprayer cap on the bottle and give it a quick shake. Be sure to label for external use only. Shake well and spray on before going outdoors. You will need to reapply it occasionally, especially if you are sweating or swimming.